So it says a standard form. Standard form means the first digit followed with the decimal point. First digit will be there. First digit, after first digit, the decimal point will be followed. So if the number is this, so it will be 8.5 and some exponent. Power will be in negative. And if it is to be shifted, the decimal point is to be shifted towards left, then power will be positive. So this is to be learned and understood. Okay. So power will be positive in this case, it will be negative in this case. This is the main idea of this chapter, to how to make the power of numbers. So how to make it written in exponential form or a standard form. It is called a standard form. So it means one place of decimal and how many decimal values are shifted. So that is the idea. So how many digits are shifted with respect to the decimal. So here in this case, the digits are shifted right, and that was 12 in number. So power will be 12 in number. Okay. So I can write here 12 and followed by 8.5. So that will give you the answer. 8.5 to the power 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. 10 to the power minus 12. If I have to write it more correctly, then it will be different. So 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12. And if the number is shifted, if the decimal value is shifted from right to left, it will be 6.02 into 10 to the power that many number of shifts. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this case, it will be 6.02 into 10 to the power, how much? 15? 15 we counted, so 10 to the power 15. Good. So this is how you will solve the other problem. And you have done this here. So let's clear it and do the next one. Express the following numbers in usual form. Now again same thing, but it is reversed. Okay. So from exponent to the number. So tell me the value of first one. Decimal was here. And it is shifted towards left by that value. From here it went to here. So because minus 6 was there. So count from here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So this is the answer. So number 2. Tell me the answer of this. Is 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. So 4, 5, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So the decimal is shifted 4 place from 4.5. So 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. Yeah. So 45000 is the correct answer. Now number 3. Number 3, 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. So 8, the decimal point will shift towards left 8 times. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will give you the answer. And the reason is the decimal is shifted to 8 left. Right. Correct answer. Now tell me number 4. 1.0001 into 10 to the power 9. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it the answer you get? Next one, number 5. 5.8 into 12. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many zeros? 11 zeros. Do you have 11 zeros there? This will be the answer. This is the number 5. Number 6. 10 to the power 6 it is. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you have this answer? So from 3 you are going right from 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ends here at first 0 only. Okay. Now number 3. Express the number appearing in the following statement in a standard form. Only you have to count the number correct. It counted 6. So I counted it 6. So it is 10 to the power minus 6. But in a standard form, you have to write like this: 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Because a standard form itself means that one digit should be present to be multiplied with 10 to the power something. Okay. So one digit will always be there. So 1.0, that means 1. 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 is the complete answer. Okay, you have to make it 1.6. 0 can't be there in a standard form. That is the thing. 0 will not be there in a standard form. If any number is there after 0, it has to be some number. Otherwise, the number is 0 only. So after zeros, there have to be some number which is to be multiplied. So that is to be multiplied with 1.6 into 10 to the power. We counted the power. It is minus 19. Minus because we are going from left to right. So the power added is minus. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So a standard form means one digit followed by decimal, and if we are shifting the digit towards right, the power will be in minus. It means that. Now this is the number. Okay. So how many zeros shift are there? We have to bring the decimal point somewhere here after 5. So shift is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 shift we are doing from here to here. 7 shift we are doing from this decimal point to 5. So it will mean 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. So this gives the right answer. Now this one. Count and tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. Into 10 to the power minus 2 is the answer of this.